Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I've had people ask, what do I do with my dry canned potatoes that I rebel canned last year? Well, I'm getting ready to show you one of the things that we do quite often. Okay, I've just popped the seals on them. I'll link the video to that in the description box. You can hear just how loud that seal was and just how well they were sealed. I've had some people say they're not processed. Well, you don't get a seal like that if they're not processed. Okay, I've got my air fryer. I'm spraying the inside with my non-stick cooking spray. It is a little older, so, you know, I do need to give it a little bit of TLC. So I'm just going to take these, juice and all, shake them in there. Could you drain that juice off of there? Well, of course you could. But in case you missed the other video, where people have said in comments and whatnot, you can't do that. Well, it's got moisture in there, so they were perfectly cooked. They're tender. So I'm going to take some garlic and herb Mrs. Dash and just throw on there. I'm going to throw them in my Instant Pot. Put in my air fryer. And I'll show you what they look like in a few minutes. They certainly smell good. Alright, now how does that look, guys? That looks pretty darn good to me. Crisp, brown, just like a French fry. There you go. This is one of the first recipes. Well, this really isn't a recipe. This is just an idea of what to do with the dry canned potatoes. There you go. Crispy on the outside and perfect on the inside. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tidbit. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you all on the next video.